Are you tired of waiting at the terminals at the airport, or even worse, inside the plane on the tarmac? Well, that could be a thing of the past in the very near future. News 13's Jason Wheeler tells us if it happens, you can thank work being done right here in Central Florida.
If you could change something about air travel, what would it be? Odds are you'd want to get from point A to point B with as little delay as possible. Problem is, there's a lot that can go wrong between those 2 points. But here in this facility, work is now being done to help streamline the process of getting from gate to gate. It's called NextGen, and it could be the biggest thing you'll never see to change the way you travel.
What we're focusing on is making the entire system, from the time you get on your plane to the time you exit your plane when it arrives at your destination, we want to make that trip more effective and more efficient and safer.
To do that, this test facility joins Embry-Riddle with the FAA and private aerospace companies to come up with systems to track airplanes via GPS rather than ground-based radar. They're also developing new software to give air traffic controllers a more detailed view of an aircraft's position relative to bad weather or restricted airspace.
What we have is an environment where industry can bring their new technologies, set them up, and still maintain control over that technology as an industry.
Those who support this lab, they're looking farther ahead. They see this laboratory as a cornerstone for an aviation technology corridor here in Central Florida.
We'll develop the technology, the hardware, the software, all the R&D done here.
It's a $50 million project which could have a far greater impact, bringing in much more than that for years to come. In Daytona Beach, Jason Wheeler, News 13.
Well, the site at Daytona International Airport will double in size by next spring. There are 2 other NextGen testing facilities, one in New Jersey, another one in Texas.